I'm going to do the problem related to income and expenditure and balance sheet. So in that receipt and payment account, it is given. And opening balance sheet also given. Okay. So here you look at that. It is very easy. From the following information, prepare final account. Final account means here means we
Question
have
number.
only income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. Why? Because opening balance sheet is given in the question. Okay. So okay. So income and expenditure account. For the year ended 31st December 2017. Sorry, 31st March 2017. Thirty-first March 2017. Now, so Hadi, basically turn on your video. So you look at the payment side first. Furniture asset we know, library books asset, salary expenditure, general expenses expenditure, electric charges expenditure, newspaper expenditure, postage expenditure, stationery expenditure, audit fees expenditure. Okay, I think that no adjustment is related to that. Sorry, adjustment is there. So second adjustment you look at salary outstanding. Salary outstanding 1,200. Salary paid included 6,000 for the year 2015-16. Means year is changed. Here you have to remember. So salary 1,200. No, that is current year only. That is 31st March 2017 only. Okay, that is 31st March 2017. Means closing date. Closing date only. Okay, then salary paid included 6,000 for last year. This year means it means outstanding salary at the end 1,200. Then from this salary included last year salary. So you look at the last year salary we paid 6,000. In this case, you have to look opening balance sheet outstanding salary how much amount? 6,000. Okay, that we paid, so that we have to deduct, because here we will write only the current year, so it is included the last year that you have to deduct. With the subscription included last year means that we have to minus. Next, receipt side, furniture book value, sold value, then subscription 2016-17. 2016-17, that is 60,000. 60,000. Then 2017-18, that is it will come only in balance sheet, closing balance sheet, subscription received in advance. Okay, next, sale of old newspaper. So you look at that last year subscription, it is given 18,000. Now you have to look in the opening balance sheet any outstanding subscription. Yes, 18,000 is there. 18,000. This year we received that much amount. So it will not come anywhere. If last year 18,000, this year we received 60,000 means we will write 2,000 in the balance sheet. Here it will not come anywhere. Same we received. Next one, sale of newspaper, profit from entertainment, rent, income. So now, now first adjustment. The club had 500 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 150. 150. So if it is this case, if already we did problem, 3 mark questions, the club had 500 members, we uh, we had 500 members, each paying 150 annual subscription. So how much we have to get this year? 75,000. Now you have to look at the current year, how much we received. How much we received? 60,000. So, so 15,000 is what? What? Outstanding subscription at the end of the period. Clear? If it comes 500 into 500 members, 150, in this case, outer column will be this amount, 75,000. So this year, how much we received subscription? 60. Balance, remaining amount will be outstanding subscription at the end. Outstanding subscription at the end. Okay. Next, next one. Okay, adjustment second, I said already, salary. Third one, depreciation on land and building. Okay, so we'll start. So books, salary. To salaries, add outstanding salary at the end. Less last year salary. Last year salary, because it is given in this salary included 6,000. In the 2020. 67,200. Next, general expenses, no adjustments. Next, electric charges. Electric charges, no adjustment, 12,000. Then newspaper, okay, so newspaper, so electric charges 12,000 to newspaper. No change, 33,800. Next, postage, no adjustment, 3,000. To stationery, no adjustment. Next, audit fees, no adjustment. So first you have to know the adjustment. Then it will be easy. Then you can do very fast. Now, sale of furniture, book value 6,000, sold value 4,000. So loss. Loss on sale of furniture. 6,000 minus 4,000. Next, subscriptions. By subscription received. By subscription received. You have to look the current year amount. 2016-17, 60,000. So you know that outer column will be 75,000. 500 into 150. So remaining will be outstanding. Opening it will not come because 18,000. This year we received 18,000. So outstanding. So opening balance sheet also given, receipt and payment account also given means you know that it will come only in closing balance sheet. Outstanding subscription at the end. $15,000. Okay. Now subscription received in advance that it will come closing balance sheet. Next one, sale of newspaper. No adjustment. Next, profit from entertainment. $44,000. Next one, buy rent. No adjustment. 84,000. Now you have to look opening balance sheet that everything we adjusted. Club 500. Okay, salary. Depreciation. Depreciation. So two, depreciation on land and building. Land and building. Depreciation on land and building. So you have to look at that. Nothing it is given. So opening amount, opening balance sheet you have to look at. Okay, so 6 lakh, 6 lakh 5 percentage. 6 lakh 5 percentage. Okay, nothing, no information it is given means opening. If opening balance sheet land and building is not given means you have to look at payment side. Okay, over. Okay, now no other item. Over. You have to balance. Debit side is more. So after finding the total, you tell me.
2,14,000.
Yes, and la correct answer. 2,14,000. 2,14,000. Then balance by deficit. If it is expenditure side, first question. Okay, deficit. Otherwise, every time you will write surplus only. So it is a deficit, excess of expenditure over income. Over income. So balance.
200.
By deficit, because here expenditure side is more than the income side. Deficit answer. I mean, okay, 200 over. Now, opening balance sheet is given, so no need to do opening balance sheet. Now, closing balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Okay. Now, you have to look opening balance sheet. First one, cash. So amount, Aparna, amount, cash,
Sir, 15,000.
33,000. Yes, 33,000. Receipt and payment account, closing amount. Next, outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. So you have to look opening, it will not come. Opening will not come. Why? Last year we have to get 18,000. This year we received 18,000. It will not come. But current year 15,000. Current year in expenditure income side we wrote outstanding subscription at the end. That is 15,000. Next, library books. library books. So you have to look in the payment side, anything it is there. Yes. So add purchase. Payment side you have to look 10,000. Okay. Now no sale, so 40,000. Now furniture 37,000. Furniture 37,000. You have to look any payment. Yes. Add purchase. Add purchase. 18,000. 18,000. Okay. Now you have to look at any sale. Sale, yes. Less sale. Book value 6,000. 13,000. So no depreciation, no depreciation. Furniture, sorry, add purchase and only. Furniture, add purchase. Okay, furniture, add purchase. Sorry. 55,000 minus sale. Okay, furniture, add purchase, less sale. So next item, land and building. Land and building. Land and building 6 lakh. You have to look in the payment side, any land and building. No. Receipts, no sale. So any adjustment, yes. Depreciation 30,000. 5,70,000. Next, liability side, outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. Last year no need because we paid. Outstanding salary. Current year 1,200. Next, capital fund. Capital fund 6,94,000. Here deficit, less deficit 200. 6,93,800. 6,93,800. Now you have to look at the payment side. Any other item? Furniture we wrote, books we wrote. No. Receipt side, subscription. Yes. Subscription received in advance is there. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance 12,000. Subscription received in advance 12,000. Now you have to look additional information. First one, outstanding subscription we wrote. Second, outstanding salary we wrote. Then land and building we wrote. Over. Okay, outstanding subscription last year, it will not come because we received that one. Next one, outstanding salary that it is included this year, so that we have to minus. Next, this, don't forget, received in advance. Seven lakh 7,000, correct. 7,07,000. Okay, so this is the now one more problem is there, 18th one. 18th one. So I think that if example, if opening balance sheet and receipt and payment account it is given means it will be easy. I don't know. Okay, so if it is only receipt and payment account, normally uh, we used to see that which one only receipt and payment account. On that basis, we have to prepare income and expenditure account. Okay. So next we will do 18th question. In that receipt and payment account also given, additional information also given. If additional information is given means if asset it is given, then there will be an amount of depreciation. Then while preparing opening balance sheet, it will be easy. Okay.